Nuclear physics. Nuclear science stability of a heavily nucleus R equals to R naught A raised to 1 by 3 A atomic mass number. Nuclear binding energy. Energy required to break an atomic nucleus. Energy that would be liberated by any combining individual proton and neutron into single atom. Z proton plus A minus Z neutron gives X ZA plus binding energy. When reactant combines to form a stable product, this mass is called mass defect, mass loss. EB is equals to delta mc square, or Eb is equals to delta M in AMU into 931.5 mega electron volt. Delta M in AMU hele 1 AMU is equals to 1.66 in 10 to the power 27 kg. Mass defect. Delta M is equals to mass of proton into A plus mass of electron into M minus Z minus of mass of atoms. Negative level last. X is equals to mass of proton upon Z. Z है mass of neutron plus proton पोटा. ଏଠି ତଳ वाला आगे माइनस ऊपर प्लस ऊपर वाला माइनस तଳ वाला mass of nucleus binding energy delta mc square z mp plus a minus z mn minus m whole into c square. Binding energy per nucleons x z a is number of nucleus binding energy per nucleus binding energy by a number of nucleons tells us how stable nucleus is. Nucleus fission and fusion अच्छा in both energy released, so mass of reactant minus mass of a product delta m mass effect, so delta q is equal to mc square. Energy released or even supplied is called q. Density value always constant because volume is directly proportional to atomic mass number. Volume is directly proportional to mass. For an X-ray, E is equals to hc by lambda or delta mc square or p square by 2m. P is equals to h by lambda. 1 Armstrong is equals to 1 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. V recall h by lambda into m. Lambda la photon wavelength, m la atomic mass. V recall is equals to delta E by mc. M is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 is equals to h mu by mc. Mass defect है mass of proton into mass of proton multiply होगा plus m जहाँ लिखा है सारे multiply होगा. X-ray production of X-ray है X-ray tube. Electron negative to positive X-ray cathode to anode electron travel करिए. Collage tube target. Heated electricity. X-ray are produced by incidence of accelerated electron on target material. Continuous X-ray है अगर electron collide नहीं करेगा. अब कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एक्सरे है अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन कोलाइड करेगा. कंटिन्यूस एक्सरे है ब्रिमस्टोन deacceleration of electron deflected by atomic nucleus causes production of X-rays. Energy of X-ray है E1 minus E2. E max है electron volt. Cutoff wavelength of X-ray है hc by E maximum is equals to hc by electron volt 1431 by V Armstrong. Intensity of lambda graph रे lambda minimum तापर उठी तापर तापर incident electron nucleus side रो बोले कि outside collide हेले रहिजो सेठी X-ray form होगा. Characteristics X-ray. Some instant electron knocks off orbital electrons of K, L, M cells. If electron volt is greater than binding energy of K cell, only then it is removed. Electron from L, M, N can jump off to K during this photon X-ray is emitted. Lambda is equal to hc by delta E. So electron jumps from L to M to K. K alpha है X-ray है it jumps from L to K. K beta है electron jumps from M to K. K gamma है electron jumps from N to K. If you compare K beta and K alpha, wavelength of K beta is less than wavelength of K alpha as energy of Mk is greater than energy of Lk. Complete spectrum K beta K alpha lambda I intensity lambda mostly loss. Lambda characteristic equation 1 by lambda is equals to R Z minus sigma whole square equal to 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Z minus sigma is equals to effective atomic number. Then for case under root of mu is equals to a z minus sigma is equals to under root of rc 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Square root of frequency is directly proportional to rate number. Under root of frequency is equals to a whole into z minus sigma under root of rc 1 n1 minus n2 square. When a photon collides with an electron, then its energy will decrease. In X-ray, lambda will greater than wavelength less than the lambda will be absent. N orbital order K L M N 1 2 3 4. Atomic physics. Bohr's postulate for single electron ले k z e square by r square is equal to mv square by r. Bohr's quantization ला mv r is equal to nh by 2 pi. And है integral driver तो এটা है angular momentum. Release of energy है hc by lambda is equal to en2 minus en1. hc by lambda is energy rz square 1 square minus 1 and इसको है electron volt है और r है minus 13.6. E maximum is directly equals to 1 upon lambda minimum. Bohr's model of single electron system. Radius of nth orbital R is inversely proportional to mass of electron. 0.529 into n square by z Armstrong. Velocity of nth orbital velocity is equal to nucleus is equal to 2.18 into 10 to the power 6 into z by n meter per second. Energy है kinetic plus potential is 13.6 z by n whole square electron volt. The level of hydrogen atom है energy square मतलब 13.6 z by n whole square electron volt. Energy level diagram n equal to 100 minus 13.6 z square minus 3.4 minus 1.51 minus 0.85 minus 0.54. Excitation of atom for electron to absorb energy and excite from n1 to n2. The energy absorbed must be exactly the amount of A n2 minus E n1. Wavelength of electron radiation. H mu is equals to energy is equals to hc by lambda is equals to r z square n1 n1 square minus 1 to n2 square. जोठी जाऊँचे minus जोठू जाऊँचे तापरे important ला lambda is equals to 12430 by delta E in electron volt la Armstrong wavelength हारिबो 12430 nanometer हेले delta E in electron volt 12400 in Armstrong electron volt हेले 1240 in nanometer nano माने छोटो zero no 10 only. Numbers of spectral lines possible NC2 होला n whole into n minus 1 by 2 hydrogen spectrum होला Lyman series Balmer series Paschen bracket P fund. Ionization energy होला 1.18 2.18 into 10 to the 20 by n square. Lyman Balmer Paschen UV visible infrared. Dual nature of particle intensity ହେଲା power upon area. Point source ହେଲା I equals to power by 1 4 pi r square 1 by r square. Linear source ହେଲା I is that equals to 1 by r. Parallel source ହେଲା I equals to 0. Power ହେଲା P equals to n hc by lambda. Number of photons ହେଲା n. When surface are perfectly absorbing radiation pressure. Pressure is equals to force upon area which is I by C. Force is equals to power by C. Power is equals to I into A. और mu multiply है I संगे refractive index. Perfectly reflecting है P pressure is equals to P force upon area which is 2I by C. और force है 2 into power by C. Say I power is equals to I into A. Matter of theory de Broglie hypothesis है lambda is equals to h by mv which is h by p momentum of particle. P है h by lambda p equals to hc by lambda. Wavelength of moving particle lambda is equals to h by under root 2m ke. Kinetic energy is equals to q into v accelerated of potential. Lambda is equals to 1 upon under root of temperature. When a charge qm accelerated by potential difference delta v wavelength lambda is equals to h upon under root of 2m q delta v. Photoelectric effect light sufficient wavelength falls on metals and electrons comes out. E equals to work function plus kinetic energy maximum. Draw a graph. Kinetic is equals to h mu minus work function. Delta 2 is greater than delta 1 magnitude wise. Work function is equals to h mu naught is equals to hc by lambda naught 1 threshold wavelength. Energy is equal to same h mu equals to hc by lambda. So energy is equals to work function plus kinetic energy maximum. Stopping potential kinetic energy maximum माने v square भी maximum velocity maximum होगा और kinetic energy maximum वाला e v naught. Photoelectron efficiency I saturation is equals to number n into n electron. Proton is equals to me alpha particle 4m 2e deuterium है 2me. Number of photon incident per unit time है power by energy is equals to intensity into area by energy into time. Intensity is equals to power upon area. H is equals to 6.63 into 10 is 23. M is equals to mass of electron 1.67 into 10 is minus 27. Q is equals to 1.6 into 10 is minus 19. C is equals to 3 into 10 is 8 meter. Mass of proton is greater than mass of electron. Kinetic electron size boson. Hydrogen spectrum series number of orbital x plus n. Example third line of Lyman series 1 plus 3. 1 is the number of orbital where the line starts. 3 is the line which asked in the question. So 4 so electron comes then from 4 to 1. Lyman Balmer Paschen bracket P fund. Energy released in binding. Binding energy is equal to of y minus 2 into binding energy of x. So y रहेला 4 is equal to atomic number of y minus 2 into this atomic mass into 2. As they both are combined, 2 है atomic mass number of x. Binding energy है product minus of reactant. Ulta of the mass defect to delta m. Second है E incident is equals to work function plus kinetic energy. So kinetic energy को magnetic effect of current R equals to mv by qb. R equals to under root 2m ke by qb. Third है 200 sin x t plus sin y t sin y is equals to omega. So kinetic energy is equal to E max plus work minus work function. Into omega by 2 pi minus work function. Frequency is equals to mu is equals to omega by 2 pi. Energy direct rotational mass E1 is equals to 10.6 electron. Loss of the energy by a nucleus emitting photon E equals to half mv square plus h mu p square by 2m plus h mu 1 by 2 by 2m h mu by c whole square plus h mu. P initial is equals to 0, P1 and P2. M1 V1 equals to M2 V2. So by momentum conservation, momentum of 1 plus momentum of 2 magnitude equals 0. So momentum of 1 is equals to momentum of 2 magnitude. Current of electron moving in Bohr's orbit. dq by dt is equals to I q into velocity by 2 pi m, which is q by time, distance by speed. In circle है इनसे 7 8 an electron comes with energy n and photons capture the energy at y started the h atom at atom. Now total energy of the electron will be equals to h mu is equals to x plus y, pre-existing energy of electron, energy of the nth orbit. 9 kinetic energy is equals to 3 by 2 kb into t in Kelvin. Boltzmann constant kb. Total energy is equals to k q1 q2 by 2r is equals to k e square by 2r is equals to binding energy. Energy required for any excitation है Be in lithium etc. Delta E is equals to minus 7.6 z square 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square electron volt. Fusions or fusion release energy Z increase for light nuclei, binding energy for nucleus. Wavelength minimum is equals to 1240 by delta V nanometer in X-ray. Kinetic energy of nucleus is equals to Q into A minus 4 by A. A is mass number. Binding is binding sum product minus of reactant. Our delta M is ulta. Reactant minus product. For binding is multiply 931.5 delta M to get mega electron volt. 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 × 6 joule kilowatt hour. Energy is equals to mc square. To get the kilowatt hour divided by value. Delta mc to the rough minus product ulta of binding energy.